Show you the most disgusting iPad I have ever seen. The 5-year-old iPad and charging all night didn't turn on. I had to wear my gloves. So here's the iPad. The case is broken. Everything is falling apart. I was trying to remove the case from the housing, but it's something in there. Look, I have to use my strange, I don't even know what that is. Oh my god, look at this. Unbelievable. How would you leave your iPad like that? Look at the hair. It's something spill in there. I don't know what that is. Screen doesn't turn on. The CD is broken. So we're gonna deep clean this iPad and try to see if we can fix it. I am about